For years, the humble spreadsheet has been the go-to tool for organizing data. And when it comes to project management, many have leaned heavily on Microsoft Excel. It's familiar, readily available, and seemingly capable of handling tasks, timelines, and budgets. However, as projects grow in complexity and collaboration becomes crucial, the limitations of Excel for serious project management become increasingly apparent. Enter Smartsheet. Often described as a hybrid between a spreadsheet and a project management tool, Smartsheet offers a fundamentally different approach to managing work. While it retains the familiar grid interface of Excel, it layers on a robust set of features specifically designed for planning, executing, and tracking projects effectively. As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how teams struggle to wrangle complex projects within the confines of Excel. Smartsheet provides a breath of fresh air, offering a more dynamic, collaborative, and ultimately more powerful solution. Let's delve into the key differences that set Smartsheet apart and why it's a game changer for project managers and their teams. 1. Structure and organization. More than just rows and columns. Excel is essentially a free-form data entry tool. While you can impose structure through careful formatting and formulas, it lacks inherent project management organization. Smartsheet, on the other hand, is built with project management principles at its core. Hierarchical structure. Smartsheet allows you to create clear project hierarchies with parent tasks, subtasks, and dependencies. This makes it easy to visualize the project breakdown structure, WBS, and understand how different elements relate to each other. In Excel, achieving this level of visual hierarchy requires significant manual effort and can become cumbersome to manage as the project evolves. Pre-built templates. Smartsheet offers a vast library of pre-designed templates for various project types, from simple task lists to complex Gantt charts and budget trackers. These templates provide a starting point with built-in columns, formulas, and views, saving significant setup time and ensuring best practices are baked in from the beginning. Excel requires you to build everything from scratch. Dedicated project views. Smartsheet offers multiple views tailored to project management needs, including Gantt charts for visual timelines, calendar views for scheduling, card views for Kanban-style task management, and grid views for detailed data. Switching between these views provides different perspectives on the same data, enhancing understanding and communication. Excel primarily offers a single table view, making it challenging to visualize timelines or workflows effectively. 2. Collaboration and communication. Built for teamwork. Modern projects are rarely solo endeavors. Effective collaboration is paramount, and this is where Smartsheet truly shines compared to Excel's limitations. Real-time collaboration. Smartsheet allows multiple users to work on the same sheet simultaneously, with changes reflected in real time. This eliminates the version control nightmares and delays associated with emailing Excel files back and forth. Everyone is always working with the latest information. Integrated communication. Smartsheet offers built-in discussion threads at the row level, allowing team members to ask questions, provide updates, and share files directly within the context of a specific task or deliverable. This keeps communication organized and easily accessible, unlike scattered emails that can get lost or overlooked. Sharing and permissions. Smartsheet provides granular control over sharing and permissions. You can define who can view, edit, or comment on specific sheets or even individual rows. This ensures data security and allows you to involve stakeholders with the appropriate level of access. Excel's sharing capabilities are more basic and often involve sending copies, increasing the risk of inconsistencies. Automated updates and notifications. Smartsheet allows you to set up automated workflows that trigger notifications based on changes in the sheet, approaching deadlines, or task assignments. This keeps team members informed and accountable without constant manual follow-up. Excel lacks this level of built-in automation for communication. 3. Project management functionality, beyond basic calculations. While Excel excels at data manipulation and calculations, Smartsheet offers purpose-built features that streamline project management processes. Dependency management. Smartsheet allows you to define dependencies between tasks, automatically adjusting subsequent task dates when a predecessor's timeline shifts. This is crucial for maintaining realistic schedules and understanding the impact of delays. Managing dependencies in Excel requires complex formulas and manual adjustments. Resource management. Smartsheet offers features for allocating resources to tasks and tracking their utilization. This helps in understanding workload, identifying potential bottlenecks, and ensuring resources are effectively deployed. While you can track resource allocation in Excel, it requires manual input and lacks the visual and analytical capabilities of Smartsheet's resource management tools. Gantt charts and timeline visualization. Smartsheet's Gantt chart view is dynamic and interactive. You can easily adjust task durations, drag and drop dependencies, and visualize the project timeline with critical paths highlighted. Creating and maintaining a dynamic Gantt chart in Excel is a cumbersome and often static process. Budgeting and financial tracking. Smartsheet allows you to track project budgets, actual costs, and variances. You can create formulas to calculate key financial metrics and generate reports to monitor project financials. While Excel can handle budgeting, Smartsheet's integrated structure and reporting features make it more efficient for project-specific financial management. Forms for data collection. Smartsheet offers the ability to create customizable forms that can be shared with internal or external stakeholders to collect data directly into your sheets. This streamlines data gathering for tasks, surveys, or feedback, eliminating the need for manual data entry from separate documents or emails. 4. Automation and integration, streamlining workflows. In today's fast-paced environment, automation and seamless integration with other tools are essential for efficiency. Smartsheet excels in these areas. Workflow automation. Smartsheet's automation capabilities go beyond simple notifications. You can create complex workflows to automate repetitive tasks, such as moving tasks between statuses, assigning ownership based on specific criteria, or generating approval requests. This frees up project managers to focus on more strategic activities. Integration with other tools. Smartsheet integrates seamlessly with a wide range of business applications, including Microsoft Office 365, Google Workspace, Salesforce, Slack, and many others. This allows for data synchronization and streamlined workflows across different platforms, reducing manual data transfer and improving overall efficiency. Excel's integration capabilities are more limited and often require manual exporting and importing of data. APIs and customization. Smartsheet offers robust APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow for custom integrations and the development of tailored solutions to meet specific organizational needs. This level of extensibility is not available with Excel.